Hello, welcome back to Cake and Things. Today I have an amazing magnum banana bread recipe to share. Please remember to like, comment and share. Also please remember to subscribe and watch the video all the way to the end. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to prepare your loaf pans. In a large bowl, you want to add 6 room temperature eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk. All your ingredients for this recipe should be at room temperature. Next, you want to add 1 cup of vegetable oil and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Using a large whisk, you want to gently whisk all your ingredients together until everything is thoroughly combined. This should roughly take about 40 seconds to a minute. You want to whisk until creamy, then set aside for later. So now we're moving on to our ripe bananas. You want about 6 medium sized overripe bananas or 4 large bananas. I am using 8 very small bananas. You want to mash them finely or roughly depending on your preference. Now let's put our bananas aside and return our eggs. So to our egg mixture, we want to add 2 cups of fine brown sugar. You can also use 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white granulated sugar depending on your preference. So now we just want to mix this until the sugar is almost dissolved. To our mixture, we want to add in our ripe mashed bananas and 2 teaspoons of salt. We want to give this a light mix. So now we want to add 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of mixed spices or cinnamon powder. You want to make sure that your flour is sifted. And we also want to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. You want to add the flour in 2 batches. So let's just give this a light mix until the flour is slightly dissolved. Then we add the next remaining batch. So now we can add our remaining all-purpose flour. You want to also give this a light mix until the flour is just combined, then stop mixing to avoid over mixing. So now you want to switch out using a rubber spatula just to get everything from the sides and get everything well mixed in. And here is our nice creamy banana bread batter. You want to coat your loaf pans with butter and powdered sugar. So now let's pour in our banana bread batter. Alright, so now it's time to add in our magnum tonic wine. I'm adding 3 teaspoons or 3 tablespoons of magnum. You can also add brandy or any other preferred alcohol. You can also not add any alcohol, it's optional. So I'm just adding some magnum to 1 or 2 of my loaf pans butter. By this time your oven should have already been preheated. I preheated the oven to 185 degrees Celsius and we're gonna bake our banana bread for 1 hour. Guys, check out our delicious banana bread, and it's so easy to make. Check how moist. So now I'm going to add some more magnum while my banana bread is still hot. I think I'm adding about 3 or 4 more tablespoons while it's still hot. Then I wrap in plastic wrap to keep in the moisture. And I'm gonna leave these until they are completely cooled down at room temperature. So by the next day, they are moist and the alcohol is well soaked in. Let's cut into our banana bread to reveal that beautiful inside. Take a look at that. And banana bread is so easy to make. Anybody can make it. So it's the next morning and I'm making some coffee. I'm making some frothy coffee. All you need is 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of hot water. You want to blend this until it's very fluffy. Mine isn't that fluffy at the moment, but you just want to continue blending it until it's very fluffy. Then you want to add your hot milk. Then add back your frothy coffee to the hot milk. And then you want to just enjoy this beautiful coffee with your nice moist magnum banana bread. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe today. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Please comment. Please watch the video all the way to the end. And thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time with the next recipe.